Hello and welcome back to the Taco video. And look what we have. This is a OEM Ford trunk organizer specifically designed for the 062 Lemon Tacos. This released for the price of $195 back in 2006 model year, so late 2005 is what you would be paying for this. I haven't calculated the price in today's money, but this cost me $250 and the guy paid $90 to ship it. It's not in like new condition. I did have to touch up it with a black permanent marker. You see the spots that are most impacted, or you should be able to anyway. So I got this all cleaned up, and it does come with the top. Some of them you find only come with the bottom, and that's it. Got some stickers here, labels. There we have a part number, made in Canada. And I've really been looking for this. I'm trying to find one for like almost half a year now. I have found two of them, but only the bottoms, and everyone else, just probably want to ship to me because how far away and how big these things are to ship. You're paying for the size, not really the weight, because this thing is about 22 pounds to ship it. So after touching it up with Armor original protectant, cleaning it up, and then touching it up with the black permanent marker, I think the next step I was going to do is remove that handle and see what's inside, see if I can tighten anything else in there, because the housing does seem to be a bit loose. So let me see if I can tighten that up. We're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver for that. Now that we have our screwdriver, we now head over and see what that is about. Kitty. And here we have the piece I was talking about. Let's move this over to the other way. Now we can begin unscrewing this, and we'll be right back. And there's our handle. It just looks like this handle attaches to itself. Oh, this handle attaches to this using screws, and this is what you are putting the force on. But it doesn't seem like, oh, and there it comes out. Now we can begin cleaning this as well. There was something of note on the back of these. They say Southco. I wonder if that's who they use to design and make this. We are just going to be using some Armor for this, nothing too special. I guess water would be nothing too special, but I suppose that'll work as well. So we're going to now spray the inside of this and the back of this and clean it all up. This top is just a piece of wood, or two pieces of wood with maybe a cardboard layer sandwiched between them. Maybe it's just plywood, but we're going to put the handle back in. We need to work on this. I was putting it in the wrong way. It flips around. Now we can begin putting this in. Put it this way. And then line up the screws and putting them back in. Now this doesn't wiggle around a bunch. Oh, there we go. It's much bigger in person than I realized. Ta-da! Now let's go install it. Waited a long time for this. Finally go to install a factory trunk organizer. Looks like we got some trash to take care of though. Also I have this weather type floor mat to sell, since I technically no longer need it. Absolutely beautiful. Nope. It doesn't seem completely flush, but maybe I'm just missing something here because there's quite a lip here. Maybe I'm not getting this down all the way. Apparently lost some footage though, but I'm very happy to have this to get to show people what a very highly equipped taco looks like. That almost has every option, but thanks for watching guys, and have a good one.